This is your 1 Minute Coder News from the voice of custom coding. Big news coming out of Coding's World magazine. The powder coating market is expected to double from $10 billion, as reported by the Powder Coating Institute, to over $20 billion in the next 7 years. That, according to Precedent Research. Because powder coatings being more sustainable in approach than hard anodizing and liquid coatings, the demand is expected to rise substantially in coating everyday consumer products like grills, door handles, wheel rims, and more. The better utilization of product applications makes powder coating look like the better alternative to liquid forms of paint. The future of powder coating looks promising. We say powder on, coders, and that's been your 1 Minute Coder News. See you next time.